Okay, rolling ka na.
Okay na.
Hey, what's up guys? Nandito ko ngayon, kasama ko si Alex, dati kong classmate sa paaralan namin, Bacoor National High School. Kamusta ka na, bro?
Okay naman, sir.
Rolling na ba tayo? Rolling dyan? Pumapalo yung mic?
Then, ayun pala.
Anong sir?
Ay, sige.
Ilang taon ka na ba?
33.
Oh, magkakikidal. Magkaklase talaga tayo.
Then, Lincoln, regarding pala dito.
Flashback.
Ayan guys, nakapila sila para sa Team Payaman Fair. Ito yung mga behind the scenes bago mag-opening. Dito tayo sa Team Payaman, Day 1 at kasama natin si Sir Foreign Germs.
Foreign Germs, what's up?
At kasama natin si Sir Mentos.
Hello, magandang araw sa inyo.
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay Day 1 ng Team Payaman at syempre December 27, 2024 kasama natin si Sir Bok. Ayan.
In fairness.
Ayan. Ma'am, sa tingin nyo ma'am, kung nakita nyo po si Lincoln ng ganito na high school mga kachupos, at ngayon ay Day 1 ng Team Payaman at kasama natin si Sir Dudut.
Yes, hello. Magandang umaga.
May nag-request kasi palitan na daw yung intro ko eh. Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay Day 3 ng Team Payaman Fair at kasama natin si Ma'am Eve.
Hello po.
And Ma'am Eve. Hello everyone, at nandito tayo syempre sa Day 3 ng Team Payaman Fair. Ayun. Hello mga kachupos, at kasama natin si Sir
Coach JM Macariola. Hey, what's up guys?
Si Coach JM. Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay Day 3 na ng Team Payaman Fair at kasama natin si Sir Kevin.
Yon, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa...
End of flashback.
Hello mga kachupos, at ngayon ay Day 3 ng Team Payaman Fair. Siyempre kasama natin si Sir Tots.
Hello, magandang hapon. Welcome to Day 3. Ito ang aming booth ni Steve. Ito si Steve. We are El Poco Cantina with Steve here in I-7, the booth, sa kaliwa ng entrance.
Then, syempre Sir Tots, regarding po pala sa event is, ano pala yung product na binebenta nyo or yung dito sa booth nyo, sir? Ano
Yes.
yung dish or meal na?
So kami, Mexican cuisine, El Poco Cantina. That is my business, and then this booth is partnered with Steve. Ang product namin ay birria tacos, soft tacos, and nachos. Yes, but we do specialization with birria tacos, which is the authentic. The way we do it is close to authentic sa Mexico. Yes.
Then, syempre sir, edi maanghang, tapos mga spices, mga ganun talaga.
Ganon siya. Pero for us, we have curated our dishes to accommodate Filipino palate. So medyo may mga sauces kami na on the sweeter side. But our meat, the protein that we use guajillo, ancho, which we get from California as our main ingredient for the barbacoa. So medyo may pagka-spicy yung mga ibang products namin, but with the salsa and the sauces, nababalance naman.
Then Sir Tots, regarding po pala dito sa business nyo ni Sir Steve, is just in case pala na hindi po sila makapunta dito sa event, is meron po ba kayong physical store or paano sila makaka-order?
Meron. So kapag hindi kayo nakadaan ng Day 3 at Day 4, pwede kayong bumisita sa restaurant namin sa Taft. So that is in Estrada Street, Malate, Manila, malapit sa Lasal. And then may isa pa kaming branch sa May Recto, katabi ng UE. That is nasa Recto Ave lang, Recto Sampaloc Ave siya. So may physical stores kami. For Taft, may Grab Food yun. And for both branches, you can order through online. Just message the Instagram or Facebook, which is El Poco Cantina.
Then sir, paano pala nyo in-establish to or paano nyo na na from the scratch na Mexican, hindi Filipino food or American?
So when we started the business 5 years ago, we thought na parang dun sa location kung saan namin tinayo ng una, there was a market gap. Meaning when we did our marketing research, ang napansin namin is walang Mexican food masyado. So that's where we position ourselves, and doon kami naging niche. I would also say na I'm also a huge fan of Mexican food. And then nung na-realize namin kung saan namin unang tinayo yung store namin na this is something special for the market and the location, we push through with it na.
Then sir, thoughts regarding naman po sa pagiging professional player or ano sir, is paano kayo na-shift sa cooking naman sir? Paano yung transition na nangyari sir?
So, I was a gamer for a long time. I think I spent about 10 years playing computer games. And then, when nung nag-college ako, I was a bit lost. Na parang sabi ko, hindi ko na alam ko anong gagawin ko. Hindi na ako ganun kagaling sa gaming. And then, I took up a human resource course. So, I took a corporate job for a while. And then, due to circumstances, my dad had a terrible accident, but he's okay now. But during the time that he was recovering, I was forced to resign to help the family business, which is a canteen. And then, doon ko nahanap yung passion ko for cooking, na parang may kailangan akong gawin para sa sarili ko. So, nag-start ako mag-aral magluto doon sa canteen na binabantayan ko at tinutulungan yung nanay ko.
And sir, thoughts regarding naman po sa pagiging gamer, tapos naging parang instant chef, tapos paano naman po kayo na-link or parang naging magkaibigan ni Sir Steve naman sir? Paano yung nag-cross yung
Yun yung landas namin. Actually, ang tropa ko sa kanila talaga, si Coach JM. I used to play Dota with Coach JM for a long time. We were friends for a long time. And then Dudut was looking for a collaboration for a restaurant para sa sarili niyang content and brand, and it happened to be me. So we had a great time doing the shoot and even the post-shoot experience was great. And then that led to me meeting with Steve, Sinabong, Sinabok, then we had dinner. And then when me and Steve were talking about like life in general, Steve resonated with me as someone who started things from scratch. And then he wanted to explore the possibility of the business. Kaya biglang, nung nag-usap kami ni Steve, align kami ng current character development. I am new to the content creation world. Steve is new to the business world. And then we just trade values and learn from each other. That's why we did this booth.
Then ayun pala sir, regarding naman po sa magiging mga collab kagaya ng business, then sa internet, social media, is ano naman po ang maipapayo nyo muna sa mga gamer kagaya ko dati rin, na professional tapos nag-shift ng sir? Ayun, any inspirational words from your experience? Sir?
I would say time is mana, silencer. Ibig sabihin kasi don't take time for granted, and then find your passion alongside dun sa journey na ginagawa mo. Gaming was my passion for a long time, but matututo ka din naman ng ibang passion. Just do the work, and you have to trust yourself first before anyone else. So, tiwala sa sarili, di ba? Di ba nga, pag nagka-clash dati, tiwala lang, di ba? Ganun lang yun.
Pag sa river, ayun.
Pag sa Ocean, Pag sa Ocean, madilim, walang marks. Tiwala, di kaya yan. Sabay echo slam. Tapos suddenly, you're a champion. Suddenly, you're winning in life. So,
then sir, regarding naman po sa pagiging content creator naman, is ano naman yung maipapayo nyo sa mga gustong maging content creator, influencer, or vlogger? Ayun, sir.
Ako, medyo bago-bago pa ako sa content creation. I started my TikTok few months ago. But what I watch, what I consume is people who are really authentic sa sarili nila. Hindi ako masyado sa creatives. Gusto ko yung personality ng tao, which I resonate with Steve and the rest of the gang. And that's what I do with my own content. I show them yung trabaho ko, which is what's happening behind the kitchen or behind the pass while I was running the pass. And then Dot got into the market na nasuportahan naman. And I'm very happy and lucky na may nakaka-appreciate nung ginagawa ko dun sa content side. So, I would say na try nyo lang din kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na may magko-consume ng content and may magsusupport sa business outside our realm of the physical store. So, yun siya.
Then ayun pala sir, Tos, last question is, after po ng event na to, saan po kayo na next na event or saan nyo isi-showcase yung inyong kasama kay Steve po?
Well, depende na to kay Steve pero next year, El Poco will do a lot of kitchen and collaboration with other brands. Pwedeng kitchen takeover, a lot of pop-ups. We are still a growing business. So, Madami kaming presensya sa mga events next year, online presence as well. But majority of our plan is to expand to another branch, probably in South. Yun po.
Once again, thank you Sir Tos at supportan nyo rin si Steve at ang Team Payaman. Ayan. Thank you.
Salamat! Thank you!
Lincoln, ayun, regarding sa mga business or gusto mong i-plug, ano yung gusto mong i-plug?
Ay, pinopromote ko yung business ko, yung Wilson to South. Yan, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Ano pa ba mga likod? Yung mga endorsement ko, supportahan nyo ako palagi guys. Maraming salamat. Siyempre, Team Payaman. Home Clothing.
Thank you once again, Lincoln.
Maraming salamat sa interview mo. Ikaw naman, kamusta ka?
Okay naman.
Alex, last name?
Pangilinan.
Pangilinan. Guys, mapakita ko lang ha. Para lang ano ha. Baka di kayo naniniwala eh. Nagpost na tayo. Oh, ito. Asan ka? So, ito siya. Ito ako. Magkaklase talaga kami. Ayun o. To be a professional mechanical engineer. Ayun, tapos nag-vlogger.
Thank you. Congrats.
Thank you.
Hi guys, please like and subscribe to Alex Pangilinan.
Hi everyone, please like and share and subscribe Alexander Pangilinan. Please subscribe Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Hi, please do like, share and subscribe Alex Pangilinan YouTube account. Please follow and watch Alex Pangilinan YouTube channel.
Hi guys, please follow, subscribe, and like Alex Pangilinan's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Alex Pangilinan, please like, share and subscribe.
Hello everyone, please like and subscribe to Alexander Pangilinan YouTube channel. Hi, please like and share, subscribe Alex Pangilinan YT. Thank you.
Hello mga biyaheros, kung bitin pa kayo sa aming regular episode, meron tayong mga shorties, meron din tayong bloopers, question and answer, at kung ano-ano pa. Just click, click, click. Click nyo na, huwag nyo na kayo pinch.
Hello mga kachubos, nandito tayo sa day 3 ng Team Payaman at syempre kasama natin si